You're watching Fox 10 Arizona Morning with Ron Hoon, Rick D'Amico, Alexis Del Chiaro, Andrea Robinson, and Corey McCloskey in HD. Coming up.
Good morning, guys. In the Girls Club today, we are talking about a new type of liposuction that takes your unwanted fat and puts it in another place on your body. We'll explore how this works up next after the break.
Ooh, baby, it's a girl thing. Now, don't understand, it's a girl thing.
All right, welcome back in the Girls Club. Alexis checking out a new technique that takes fat from one area and puts it in another area of your body. Do you follow me?
Yeah, it's not like the old style liposuction where they use a vacuum cleaner, which they actually do.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, Alexis?
Yeah, you guys, this is so cool. We are at the Innovative Cosmetic Surgery Center on Scottsdale and Shea. And see the cover of this Life and Style magazine with Carrie Underwood on the cover? Well, if you flip over, this is obviously just a copy. Look at the doctor that we're talking to, Dr. Todd Malin, here at this center, is featured in this Life and Style magazine about the liposuction. So let's go on in here and meet him. Good morning. Thanks for being with us, Dr. Malin.
Good morning, Alexis.
Well,
thank you.
Congratulations on making it in Life and Style.
Well, thank you.
This seems to be a trend that's picking up. Explain it to us.
Well, a lot of women have always asked, why can't you take the fat from one area and put it into my breast? And for about 20 years, that procedure was very difficult to perform. But thankfully, we've had new technology and new updates in the way that we perform the procedure, and now we're able to do that with great results.
And this is the machine right here. Explain how it works, because it's water-based.
This is a water jet liposuction device. So instead of using just powerful suction, it uses a spray of water to break the fat into tiny little pieces so that those tiny little pieces can be then collected and injected into the breast with just a needle and a syringe.
And this is minimally invasive. What's the recovery time?
Very minimally invasive. Most patients are able to return to normal activities within 24 hours. And the other nice benefit of this tool is it allows us to use the fresh fat. We don't have to freeze it. We can use it immediately, and we can even harvest the stem cells out of the fat. And those stem cells really help this procedure to be very, very effective.
Dr. While we look at some before and after pictures, I know that we have some back at the station. Do you get to choose where you want the fat to come from?
For the most part, the patient decides. I mean, it's usually those trouble spots, the areas that they just can't get rid of with diet and exercise. That's the best quality fat, because when they later start to gain weight after we do the procedure, the fat will now go to their breast instead of to their flanks or their hips or their other trouble area, because fat cells have memory. So we want to take the fat cells that are their problem fat cells so we can use them into the breast, and the breast will even grow.
Very cool. Now, Brett's one of your patients. Brett, you just recently had the procedure done.
I did about 3.5 weeks ago.
And what was it like for you?
It was very simple. I was not really sure, as far as post-op, how long it would take, but within 3 days after procedure, I was taking my kids to school, going to the grocery store, doing everything I needed to do as a mom.
And are you happy with the results?
They're awesome.
Great. Yeah. Well, that's really exciting. Okay, now, doctor, tell us, how much does this procedure cost, and how do we get in touch with you?
Well, it's very comparable to the cost of having an implant placed in without all the drawbacks of an implant and the benefit of having liposuction. So typically, you're looking at about $10,000 to $15,000 for the procedure, which includes the liposuction areas also. And you can get a hold of us on our website at expertlaserlipo.com or drtoddmalin.com, or call us at our office at 480-998-7999.
Cool. We're going to put that info on our website, myfoxphoenix.com. We're also going to check out this magazine, Life and Style. It's in stores this week, right?
It's in stores this week, yes.
Cool. Well, congratulations. Thank you, Brett. Thank you, doctor, very much, guys. And the cool thing is you remain 100% you. So
You're
there's
right
nothing
about that.
That's right,
foreign in your body.
And that before and after was really nice. Like, it wasn't too drastic.
It wasn't like
good.
crazy, right?
Yeah. Looks good. Okay, thanks, Alexis.